Okay, partner.
Yes, partner, ladies and gentlemen, ito buyan, ken imatangan ti panagkanta ni Sir Leo Naknak to sing Always Fabulous by Mr. Marco Siso.
May sagot manin kada
Ay,
kayo amin apo.
napsugdan.
Kang runan na kada kayo apo nga sang sangaili ni kayong ko. Kayong naglalaing kayam nagito'y parakantam kin nagiti announcer mo ang kanagriro kadakwada. Woman, I will love you always.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you endlessly, and feel you, girl, in my arms always. Kayo, matatoy abay kong kasimon.
Yeah, it's a golden voice. Nakaka-inlove, sir, yung boses mo.
Salamat. You. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I breathe for. And there's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. I want you always by my side, now and for always. Whisper these words to me, that we will always be together, just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through, every moment loving you. Again, this song is heartily, lovingly dedicated to your big boss, my bayaw, Apo Ronald Saludanes. Kayo, nagmayat gayam na ito, umayak sa amat sumrek ka na ito yung kanta.
Wow, welcome, sir!
Oh, I want to give you all my love, my heart, my soul, my life, everything that I am. Always
Madi ka
Ma'am.
ma-open, sir. Data met nga tat panangal alam kini ma'am ko.
Wala ka harharana akide.